In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple photos in Canva like a pro. Whether you're designing a collage, a presentation, or just trying to enhance your creative project, adding multiple photos seamlessly can make all the difference. Let's dive right in and transform your design skills. First, when you open your Canva project, you'll want to start by looking over at the left side of your screen. You'll see a section labeled Elements. Go ahead and give that a click. This section is a treasure trove of graphics, lines, shapes, and frames that can elevate your design. Right now, we're interested in leveraging frames, a tool that allows us to contain our photos beautifully within a set structure. Now within Elements, there is a handy search bar at the top of the panel. In that search bar, type in for frame and hit enter. You'll be presented with a plethora of frame options, from simple grids to more intricate layouts. These frames essentially act like placeholders for your images, providing a clean and crisp way to organize multiple photos on one page. Once you see the selection of frames, browse through and pick one that suits your design vision. Simply click on your chosen frame and drag it onto your Canva page. It's that easy. You can resize and move the frame around just by clicking and dragging the corners or edges. Play around with it until you're happy with the positioning. Next, we're going to add our photos. To do this, click on the Uploads tab, also located on the left-hand side. This is where all your previously uploaded files reside. If you haven't uploaded your photos yet, you can easily do so now. Just click on the Upload Files button and select the photos you'd like to use from your computer. Once they're uploaded, they'll appear in your Uploads library. Now that our photos are within reach, it's time to get them into your design. Click and drag each photo one by one onto the frames you've previously positioned on your page. You'll notice how Canva smartly snaps your photo right into place within the selected frame area. If you want to adjust how the image is cropped within the frame, simply double click on the image and you'll be able to reposition it inside the frame to get the look you're after. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and drags, you've successfully added multiple photos onto your Canva project. Experiment with different frames and layouts to best convey the story you want to tell through your design. With this method, you can ensure your images are displayed in a neat, organized manner that complements your overall creative vision. Happy designing!